In China, if you are not afraid of trouble, you can find hundreds of suppliers for your business and brand. But if you are smart enough, I don't want to be so troublesome, you can also choose a one-stop shopping service provider like YE, while your business and brand are looking for felt hats. Might also happen to need a straw hat while searching for cloth caps. Might also happen to need a very nice knitted hat. You may still be looking for your favorite fabric. Do you really plan to negotiate with suppliers one by one? Hard work is not for that. What you need is the one-stop service of our YE Pass. We can help you out.
All kinds of felt hats, all kinds of straw hats, and our cloth hats, and our knitted hats. And you just need to get rid of us.
Follow Hua Yas, your one-stop hat decoration supplier.